If you're super keen to improve the financial performance within your agency, Show Me the Money is the solution. It's a half-day, agency-specific training course that I've been running since 2007 with agencies all across the globe. It will take you from the pitch process, procurement negotiations, pricing for profit, moving from the hourly rate to potentially offering value-based pricing to some of your existing clients, or even offering and negotiating at RFP procurement conversation stage, that early position. Looking at also your budget. So how is an agency budget formed? Do you have a rolling forecast? How will you hit your revenue target? And what's happening to your profit? Which will take us through our capacity planning, the erosion that we might see when we're not actually billing at the level we need to, including write-offs and burn, and how we have change management procedures or not. In the half day, we'll talk about industry terminology, benchmarks, and how we would look to grow an agency, whether it's just a portfolio, a division, or the whole agency, and all of those together. And using the KPI program to take you from your current position to your future desired position on any of those, or all of those, and maybe some other key decision-making business drivers that you discover that you need to focus on. I'd love to spend half a day with you, so come along to my Show Me the Money, last one for the year, and let's get this show on the road and build your business for a stronger, more commercially savvy team to drive your business growth, your professional development, and ultimately profit for the future. I'll see you there.